Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
About 692 cities and towns are located along its bank, of which 27 cities have population more than 1 lakh. More than 600 part of the river, particularly between Kanpur and Patna, is highly polluted. Every day it receives about 1300 million liters sewage and 250 million liters chemical effluents. The main cause of pollution and Ganga water are the mixing of the industrial effluents and domestic and municipal effluents into it. Now we'll see some of the main causes of Ganga pollution. The main causes of Ganga pollution can be listed as: number 1, sediments load of the Ganga river and other associated rivers. Second is sewage disposal of villages, towns and cities. Third is discharge of industrial effluents. Fourth is release of dead bodies of animals and human beings. Number 5, cremation along the bank of river and disposal of cremation material and burnt and half burnt dead bodies of human beings. Number 6, surface runoff of toxic chemicals, agrochemicals, pesticides, etc. In 1985, the Ministry of Environment and Forest started the Ganga Action Plan, that is GAP, for preventing irreversible damage and restoring the water quality of Ganga, that is having the following objectives. Now we'll see what were the objectives behind the Ganga Action Plan. First objective was all-round environmental improvements. Second objective, installation of sewage treatment units and their proper operation and maintenance. Third, the basic facilities of sewage treatment to be coupled with production of energy and manure and provision of pisciculture, aquaculture and irrigation treated water. Number 4, economic benefits to the local population. Ganga Action Plan helped in estimating the magnitude of the Ganga pollution. In an estimate, it was calculated that about 10 lakh kg toxic effluents and 13 lakh kg domestic and municipal effluents are discharged every year from the cities of Uttar Pradesh only. The story of Kanpur is frightening. From the city, about 200 million liters of sewage and 5.8 million liters of toxic effluents from 151 tanneries are disposed every day. The analysis of Kanpur Ganges water revealed that it has 63.7 to 173 milligrams per liter total solid waste, dissolved oxygen from 2.86 to 30.33 milligrams per liter, biochemical oxygen demand, that is BOD, and 0.66 to 89.14 milligrams per liter chemical oxygen demand, that is COD. The quality standard of water is C and E type, that is water is not fit for any purpose. The first step of Ganga Action Plan started in 1985 and second in 1995 to complete the plan by the end of 1999. Despite rupees 416.33 crore has been spent to clean the water, the results achieved remain insignificant. Various other projects have also been subsidized by the government of Netherlands and Japan to clean the water of the holy Ganges. Now, the third pollution case study that is related with the Yamuna pollution. River Yamuna, after being originated for Yamunotri, that is in Uttarakhand, covers a passage of 1376 kilometers before joining the river Ganga to Allahabad. The river has been divided into 5 segments from the point of view of pollution level.